Okay, so typically I give you guys a good morning, but we're gonna skip the good mornings because we were late today and we're gonna get right into the show off.
We're at Electrify Expo again. So we have the test ride area and I wanted to make some videos on the test rides, but here's the thing. You drive basically through the city streets and into the neighborhood and you're back here. And so it's like, you don't really get to experience the car. So for me, it's not terribly worth it. It really isn't. Honestly, the expo this year, being at this location, does not give a lot of room to do test rides. So I'm kind of over that. And I don't really care for that. Pretty much just walking around looking at what they have. I had made a few videos, put little clips in this video, you know, because it's the day. But if you want to check out the longer form videos, the stuff I did, I think we checked out like a camper. Behind me, I have the Campworks NS1. It's got some cool, unique things.
So what you're looking at here is a queen size mattress. We have it converted into our lounge mode here. On-demand hot water heat. We've got this beautiful induction stove top. Put a griddle down and bridge these two together. Or if you're cooking from a couple pans, really nice to cook with. Don't have to worry about wind, blown out propane, or the lack of control of a propane stove. 2,200 watts of deployable panels between these, in addition to the 285 watts of onboard solar that comes standard.
Some cool Teslas. Check out this fully custom Model Y. It's a Model Y right behind me. They had to cut this bumper completely custom to fit this in, and it legit looks like it was made to be there. Full carbon fiber hood. It is so flippin' meaty. We're gonna check out this completely custom Tesla Model 3. Has an airbrush paint, which is wild. The scissor doors definitely fits with this car because even the barrel is red, and that fits with the paint, which is awesome. You got the custom carbon fiber going along the top, along the sides, along the bottom, the red stitching. Oh my gosh, it's like glistening. Lastly, let's talk about the air suspensions. You have your park, your neutral, reverse, and drive right there. They're just buttons. This is such a Lotus car with some Tesla badging and Tesla parts on the inside. What a wicked looking vehicle. Those will be their own separate videos, so make sure you stay subscribed for that.
You know what's crazy is that actually this wrap in the sun appears to be black, and I've seen some other people with this wrap, but this one is done pretty well. Like, it is very rainbowy if you're into that. And with the expo coming to a close, the only thing we have left to do today is go to a late night car meet. My friend's already waiting for me, so let's get at it.
Guys, I just ruined my file transfer to show you this, but oh my gosh! Look at the freaking view! Oh my gosh, it is so beautiful. What a gem it is to be stuck in traffic, but look at the view. Oh my gosh. This one has a little pony inside of it. Lotus, the car ecstatic almost got. That's cool, you can see the engine back here too. Oh, does it? Oh, you have to do it here. I got deceived.
Daily beast direct.
Back up. Oh. Oh. I was trying to play defense. Come here.
All right, one more.
No! Ah! So we got the boba and we brought it back to the lot full of cars. I think my favorite one's the one with the eyelashes. I like that one the best. Don't tell me you're gonna walk down there.
Yeah.
Oh gosh, okay. There's a perfectly good walkway over there and I almost just died. Ooh, check out this one. Oh, look at the taillights. They got like a design on it. That's pretty cool.
That's cool, yeah.
It's like mine, but
I wanted to
better.
do that to mine.
Oh, that's pretty well done. I want the little bike. Oh look, it's got a little car. Oh, that's cool. It goes on its side. Oh, wicked. Oh, what? So two things. The headlights are pretty cool and the bumper is blue, obviously. I mean, duh. Blue car, blue Mustang, blue bumper. But the eyes are cool. They're staring deep into my soul. I love this. Look, they even have a light bar. Like an actual light bar.
There you go.
On the bottom. If I were a Miata though, this would be me as a Miata. Even the spikes, I'd do that with mine too. No one would mess with me. Look at that. That's what you need so you don't burn your bumper. Diffuser. That's cute little Miata. I do like my Miatas. Dude, I think I really want to buy a Miata for the eyes. And so I can be like you. I get like a discount version. Miata. I almost bought one over the Tesla, just so you guys know. Do true off-roading, this is the suspension I need on the Tesla. Look at that, thing's meaty. I could crawl under there. I could sleep under there. I can do all kinds of things under there. Nice job, wow. That's crazy. Wait, he definitely like cut part of this, right?
Yeah.
Whoa, that's so cool. Good job, guy. I was like, no way it just comes looking like that. Wow, that's some dedication right there. Good stuff, whoever owns this Tacoma. This guy must go through tires on the daily. That's crazy. With that lip on the rims.
There's no way that's static.
Look at that thing. Thing's touching. She's on bags. She's also on bags. That's a tripping hazard. That'd be so funny. You should put a sticker right here. That says tripping hazard. That would totally be on Sham's car if he had exhaust.
Yeah.
Definitely. That's cool. You can see the shifter.
Are you from California?
It's cool. That would make me so happy in life to come home and see that in my driveway winking at me. Sounds like a perfect day. This is also me if I was an S2000.
45,000 on the channel. New World Corvette. Yeah, only $200 for a whole that's
That's pretty cool. Good job, Anton. While the Tesla is charging, we're about to do some launch controls in the C8 so we can test it out. And that way we can be another Tesla owner because the Corvette's better. That was so violent.
But there was one problem. It was kind of slow.
Huh. Well, there was a lot of wheel spin. I wonder why that was.
That says 37.
A lot of wheel spin. I wonder why that is at the beginning.
Maybe research it.
Whew. Whew. That's the new exhaust we put on. Man. 35. 1.6 again. So we're getting better, but we still got a little bit of wheel spin, so we gotta figure that out. So we just got finished launching the Corvette, and we go to move a car. And you kind of need this thing called keys for a car. And my friend thought it was back at home. So we took the Tesla, drove us back home, but then apparently it's not back at home. So where could it be? Well, it might be in the Corvette. So now I'm driving us back there. But it also might not be in the Corvette. So I might be driving for a really long time. Wish us luck. So the Tesla's just dumped in the middle of the road because the thought is we're gonna get back into it pretty quickly. All right, Corvette, do you hold the key to the other car? Is it in there? Is it in there? It was in the Corvette the whole time. So now we can go back home. It does look so nice. All right, time to get ready to go to Canada, you hard. All right, if this is the end of this video, then good night. I will see you shortly in the next video in the morning where we go to Canada. Later.